I've been crafting since I was probably about 6.
I've been crafting my whole life.
So I've been crafting all my life.
So I've been crafting since I was 4 years old. My mum and nan taught me to sew, so I've been doing lots of different crafts since I was really, really little.
My mum's an artist, so when we were kids, there was no option for watching TV. It was all about doing something with your hands and making.
I got started in Cricut a few years ago with the Cricut Explore Air and papercraft projects.
Then slowly but surely dabbled in things like crochet and knitting and things like that, but sewing was my one true love.
My mum taught me how to knit, which was fun.
I love crafting because it's a very mindful practice.
It's nice to have fun with different mediums and see what you're good at and what you like the most.
I'd say my favourite thing about knitting crochet is that you actually get to create the fabric that you make, and I love making clothes.
Just doing each brush stroke, each pencil mark I just get so involved, like the whole process.
I get to spend all that time making something that I love, but I also really love to pass on my skills to others in workshops.
So starting a new craft can feel daunting.
I'd say just go for it.
Don't stress about it, just get stuck in.
We created some really simple and easy to follow videos.
Try one thing, see what you like the best, see what you're good at, and then you can go from there.
Hobbycraft offer a variety of workshops in-store and online that you can pick from all year round. They're hosted by Hobbycraft's expert artisans and professional makers. I love designing this beginner's weaving workshop. When you book onto the workshop, you will receive one of these boxes that has everything you need to create the weave from beginning to end, which our expert artisan will show you how.
You can find thousands of projects over on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub. New projects get added each day and they're great from beginners to the more experienced crafter. Go online and check it out. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next craft project or learn a new skill.